Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and if you want to see me take $50 and trade it all the way up to $6,500, keep watching. What's good? Just wanted to say, for those of you who have been asking for the 52-week options trading challenge to come back, it's back. It's not on Robinhood anymore. We are now on Webull this time, but I've received so many DMs and I've had my time to kind of like get my mind right and trade without the pressure of, other people watching. And I think we're ready to get back at it again. I've kind of come back at it, looked at everywhere I kind of fell short last time and adjusted. And yeah, now we're just going to get at it and try it. Now, for those of you who are new to this challenge, haven't seen it, don't know anything what it's about, basically the goal of the 52-week challenge is, it was created out of a place of kind of desperation when I didn't really have much money and I still wanted to create content for this channel. Really, all I had was $50 that I could offer. I kind of recently learned about the rule of 72 and compound interest and all that, and thus the 52-week challenge was born. So the goal of the 52-week challenge is just to gain 10% on the total value of free cash you have in your account every week. So that is what you do. Essentially, to kind of break it down, if you compound at 10% every week for 52 weeks, starting with $50, it takes you from $50 all the way up to $6,500. So that's what we'll be doing over the next year. I have plenty other accounts to trade in, so me over trading shouldn't be an issue anymore. And if I have the urge to trade anymore, I will just go use another account to trade. And again, for those of you who are new here, the rules that I've kind of placed on myself, I get 3 day trades each week. That's not something I impose. That's really just kind of how, margin accounts go. So 3 day trades a week, starting with $50. All that is a minimum of $2 each of those 3 trades. That's easy to hit my goal. It'll kind of change each week, but 10% of 50 is going to be $5. So I just need to make $5 this week. And then next week, should we hit the goal and we be at 55, we just need to make about $6. That should put us about $60 or $61, kind of depending on how you look at it, all the way up to the end being $6,500. And one thing that I seriously struggled with last time, my biggest thing this time, is when I hit the goal, which can often happen on the first day, or sometimes I don't exactly, I just kind of hop in something and don't think about it. When I hit the goal, I'm done trading for that week and just leaving it alone and make the episode, put it out. I got caught up last time in trying to make it exciting. This time I want to show y'all consistency and show y'all that this is possible. A lot of people said it couldn't be done, and right now it's looking like those of you who said that, you're right. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. What's good? It is Wednesday, just a few minutes before market open. We are going to hop in my portfolio, take a look at the position that we took yesterday, and take a look at the market, how it's trading right now. All right, so here we are in the good old Webull, and as you can see at the moment, value of my contract must have went up once I bought it yesterday, just before it closed. But should things stay how they are, I'm ready to take profits in this first week is a success. In a couple minutes when the market opens, I will show you exactly what happens, but as of right now, my contract is valued at $40. We have $18.07 in buying power, which means that if we lock in the profits, we hit the goal for the week. Hopefully we can call it a done deal right at market open, but just to show you the position. All right, so right here we have one Apple put expiring this Friday. I got in yesterday, which was Tuesday. Yeah, we purchased it for $32. It went up $8 in value. We really just needed it to go up $5. So should that happen, all good. But we got 1 minute till market open. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. And Apple is currently down 1% in pre-market. So this is looking pretty good. I'm probably going to take profits right away at market open. Got a few seconds till the market open. Oh, okay. So y'all saw that opened up. Okay, so I'm going to quickly sell to close. I will take whatever. All right, so yeah, we sold that at 90 cents. So just like that, we're already weeks ahead of the goal. And this week's target was actually to be at $55 by the end of the week. So I think what I want to do, just kind of playing off the last time, whatever I'm ahead, instead of taking that money out and instead of being done with it, we're actually kind of on a market dip right now. So I am going to take the difference, which is about $50, and I am going to invest it in some shares right now. So looking at the shares, there's a lot out there I like, but specifically I'm really looking into the future of EVs. So if Lucid is going to be anything like Tesla, yo, I want to get in on that. So yeah, I'm going to grab 2 shares of Lucid right now. Just grab 2 shares, and just like that, we have a position, we have a portfolio. So we still have $60 cash, but we will leave that wiggle room for next week. I'm happy to say that we hit our goal this week, and hopefully we can continue with this theme and continue with moves like this going up ahead in the future. Just want to take this time to say thank you to those of you that are watching. I really appreciate you. If you enjoyed this video, hey, please be sure to smash the like button or leave a comment down below, and stay tuned. I will be uploading one of these every week. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.